This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Turn the badge on the grille to access the lock cylinder for the bonnet. Using the key, release the bonnet latch. Raise the bonnet upwards and support it with a prop rod. Slacken the clamp securing the air outlet hose to the filter cover. Then, disconnect the wiring plug from the mass airflow meter. Undo the fasteners and lift the filter cover from place. Note which way round it's fitted, then lift the air filter element from the housing. Wipe clean the inner surfaces of the cover and the main housing, then locate the new element in the housing, making sure that the sealing lip is correctly engaged with the edge of the housing. Refit the filter cover and reconnect the outlet hose. Tighten the filter cover mounting fasteners securely. Tighten the hose clamp securely, then reconnect the wiring plug.